Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Teck. In this video, I will talk about Google Play Points. Some really good special earn rates are now available in Play Points page. Here you can see the special earn rates, and if you spend $1 in these games, you will get 4 Play Points. And here you can see so many games are now available. Okay, and here you can see this all are saying ends 13th December, and if you spend $1 in these games, you will get 4 play points. Here you can see there is Candy Crush Saga, Guns of Glory, Lords Mobile, Mafia City, Marvel Strike Force, Pokemon Go. So many popular games are here. Here you can see, and PUBG Mobile is also there. And these are all the games. Okay, if you spend $1 in these games, you will get 4 play points. And if you play these games, and if you are interested to buy something, buy now. Okay, and if you will get 4 play points in return. Okay, so if you are playing these games, okay, and you want to buy something, you should buy now so that you can earn play points in return. Okay, here you can see so many games are available. Okay, so this is the special earn which is now available in Google Play Point, and it will end 30th December. Okay, so if you interested to buy something, this is the best time to buy, and so that you will get 4 play points in return. Okay, bye, see you guys in the next video.